hello. Hope you had a good weekend, and hope...
No, Roger, no, get back on that 404, 252, Sacktown got down.
404.
Hey, 252, he must have something wrong with his ears out there, because, man, I got a real good copy on you, 252.
There, 445, no doubt about it. He was coming in here like gangbusters. I figured I'd be hitting him the same thing. That's the way it goes. Mother Nature's doing her thing. No two ways about it. Anyway, 445, you know who, 252.
All right, 252, I was just letting you know you're making the trip to Mississippi in fine style. Hey, 252, tall tower around Sacktown, 445, what's the get down?
Okay, Randy, appreciate it, 445. That about it. Likewise on this end, too, for sure. Take care, 445. You know what, we'll do it again for sure, 252.
Hello there, 404. Hey, 404, you're off my receive. Sparky TJ Border, back out.
Hey, Sparky, tell 404 445 waved at him, and you too, we'll see you later.
Hello there, 445. I'm not sure where that duck water went, but I'll wave at him for you. Hey, 404, that old 445 is saying hello there, break.
0128. Contact on the 128 on the Hoosier State Deer Slayer on the gate, waving a hand out there around D. Hello, Dr. Keydown. Hello, Dr. Keydown. Good to hear you bumping it down. Dr. Keydown, 252, Sacramento, Cal, letting you know. Hope everything is swelling well your way. Dr. Keydown, 252 with that tall tower wave.